All right, I'm probably in one of the hardest remodel jobs I've done in a long, long time. This has got everything: holes, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, plaster patching, angles galore. I mean, let me flip this around. Angles like unbelievable, off angles everywhere. Drywall, 2 layers of 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. But this is a nightmare here too. Let me shut this light off. Everything is coming up into this corner right here. The hangers did the best they could, but still, it's probably one of the hardest jobs I've been dealing with. So in a long, long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fiberglass mesh tape these holes and use I'm going to use this roll patch. Where's my roll patch? Here. I'll use the roll patch again for these big holes. I'm going to put some fiberglass mesh tape on this big gap, pre-fill it, but I'm still going to tape it with taper's tape. So I'm just going to fill up these big holes like this, cover them with some fiberglass mesh so the Durabond can stick there, and then I'm still taping everything. So I'm going to get this all pre-filled. This angle, by the way, if you can see there's an angle right here, is so rounded. I'm just going to use my rubber knife and round this out. So I'll show you how I use my rubber knife. I've got a little bit of everything here. Just a little bit of everything. Actually, it's going to be kind of fun. Let's get started. All right. You have a great day.